Hi guys, welcome to Honest SR, where you get honest, straightforward, unbiased reviews of products without any financial influence by anyone else. Alright, first things first, I'll get into the pros of the Beats Studio 3 wireless. All up, I think it's a great upgrade. The sound is better, the anti-noise cancelling is better. It's not as bassy as before, but it's really good if you like bass. Still, I reckon it's one of the best ones if you like loud bassy music, or even just loud music at the gym just to cancel everything out. It's got Bluetooth 5, which I think is really great. Like, you can leave your phone in the locker at the gym and just walk away and still be able to listen to music. Look, I think it's one of the best headphones to stay on your head when you're doing any sort of activities, so be it walking, running, going to the gym, lying down, doing Pilates. It doesn't come off that easy as compared to other headphones. The anti-noise cancelling has improved in my opinion. It's less buzzy and humming in the background when you don't have anything playing. The battery life has improved. It's better. I really love the fast fuel feature where you charge it for 10 minutes and it gives you 3 hours of playback. I love the range of colors it's available in. You can get anything. The build is quite strong and it's quite sturdy, you know. It feels good in your hands. Also the design, this is a bit of a it depends on you, but I think I'll give it a pro because it's loud. You get noticed. You're spending that much money. If you want something that's loud and you get noticed, these are the ones. It's a well-known brand between people who don't know much about headphones. Some pluses for Apple owners. It's really seamless and easy to pair with an Apple device because of the W1 chip. You bring it close and it just goes connect, and that's it. It gets connected to your iCloud, and then you can just jump between one device to another without reconnecting, disconnecting. So Apple Watch, Mac, and things like that. All right. Okay, now for the cons. First things first, that really annoys me is it doesn't actually come with a charger. It just comes with a cable, so you need to use your iPhone one, which is not a big deal for most people, but it kind of annoys me. You pay about $500 for them. Second, that annoys me a lot is they've introduced lightning cable for the iPhones with no headphone jack. However, the Beats, you can't connect them with the normal cable that it comes with. You have to get the like adapter to be able to connect it if you want it connected by a wire. And another thing that really bugs me is if the headphones is completely dead and you want to connect it to your phone, you can't with a wire. You have to have some sort of charge in it. It is pricey, and for the money you pay, you can get better headphones for the same price. Ear fatigue is another one. It's quite good on that, but like still you get ear fatigue after listening to music on this. It can get sweaty and hot under the pads really quickly. The anti-noise cancelling isn't class leading, okay, and you can find better ones out there. This is not the one if you're looking for that. Other than that, I think this is a pretty good all-up headphones. If you're looking for something that does everything and kind of goes everywhere and it's easy to deal with for iPhones, I would get this any day. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.